Amazon assessment test can feel stressful because the questions often look simple. But under time pressure, simple questions become easy to miss. This is a good example. At first, it looks like a basic missing number puzzle. But the real test is not whether you can do hard math. The real test is whether you can stay calm, ignore the answer choices for a moment, and find the rule that connects the numbers. So before you watch the explanation, pause the video and try to solve the pyramid yourself. Do not guess. Find the pattern. Consider this amazing pyramid. In the top row, it has numbers 8 and 13, and in the bottom row has numbers 1, 2, 3, and 5. Your goal is to calculate the missing number on the top, and your choices for the answers are A, 17, B, 18, C, 19, or D, 21. Can you solve it on your own and choose the right answer? The pattern here is very simple, but it's only available for those who view it from the right perspective. But I'm pretty sure you're one of those people. Take a close look at the bottom two rows, especially the numbers on the left. 1 plus 2 equals 3. In fact, the number in the top row is calculated by adding the two numbers directly beneath it. Don't believe me? 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Let's add the third row so you can see clearly. 3 plus 5 equals 8. And 5 plus 8 equals 13. And you know what time it is, right? It's the magic time to calculate the missing number. 8 plus 13 equals 21. And the correct answer here is choice D, 21. If you're preparing for an Amazon assessment test, watch another practice question on the channel and keep building pattern recognition. One question helps, but repeated exposure is what makes you faster and more confident.